Good morning, year 4. Welcome to your Wednesday maths lesson. Today we are going to be learning how to subtract fractions, which should be super fun. But to warm up your lovely brains, there are some additions on the screen. I would like you to pause the video in a second and have a go at answering them. I don't mind if you use mixed numbers or improper fractions. Just do whatever you fancy. But if you are not sure what that means, you need to look back on yesterday's video to remind yourself. So pause the video and have a go. Okay, well done, guys. Right, welcome back. Here are the answers, so you can pause the video again and just check and see how you did. Off you go. Lovely job. Okay, so as I said, we are going to be subtracting fractions today, and so we're going to have a go at some equivalent fractions, have a go reminding ourselves about adding, have a go at some mastery questions, learn how to subtract, and then you guys are going to have a go. All right, so to begin with, we have this fraction. Now this is 6/8 add 1/4. So yesterday we were adding numbers that had the same denominator, so the same bottom number, but these have obviously got different bottom numbers, okay? So what you guys need to do is make them the same, okay? So what you need to do is to basically make 6/8 the same as 1/4, and we can do that by using equivalent fractions. So remember, whatever you do to the numerator, you do to the denominator. Now we need the denominator to be 4, okay? So we basically need to halve this fraction. So have a look at this next screen. Okay, so as you can see here, we're going to divide the 8 by 2 to get 4, and we're going to divide the 6 by 2 to get 3. Okay, so now we have got 3/4 add 1/4. So 3/4 add 1/4 is 4/4, which is the same as a whole. And I'm going to prove that to you with a bar model. Okay, so here we go. We've got 1, 2, 3/4. Add on 1 more quarter. So I've got 4/4 and the whole thing is coloured in, so it's a whole. All right, so here's some mastery questions. James works out that 4/9 take away 2/9 is the same as 2/9. Do you think he is correct? Draw a picture to prove your point. So pause the video now and you're going to draw a bar model to prove if you think James is right or wrong. Off you go. Okay, welcome back. So I've been super organised and already done one. So here's my bar model. So I've got it split into 9ths, and I had 4, so I coloured in 4, and I crossed out 2. So, do we think James is right? I think he is right. He has got 2/9 left, hasn't he? All right, Jenny works out that 4/8 take away 1/8 is 3. Do you think she is correct? Draw a picture or model to prove your point of view. Off you go. Pause the video. Okay, great. So here's my bar model split into 8, and I've got 4 shaded in, and I've crossed out 1 because I've taken away 1/8. Jenny is wrong. Okay, she is wrong because the answer is not 3. She hasn't got 3 holes left, has she? She's got 3/8 left, which is totally different. Okay, next. I want you to draw a bar model to represent the following calculation. Okay, off you go. All right, welcome back. You guys are going to be really good at drawing bar models by the end of this. Okay, so here is my bar model. I have split it into 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. And I coloured in 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I got rid of 4 because I've taken them away. How many have I got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. So a bar model that looks a bit like that is perfect. Well done. All right, I think we are ready to do some work on by ourselves. So you guys have your own sheets again. hot and spicy, you are going to answer the questions on the next slide. Here they are. All right, so pause the video and off you go. Lovely. Okay, so here we go. Here are your answers, so check and see how you did. Okay, hopefully you all did well there. Right, now we're going to end with this lovely question. Okay, so hopefully you're all feeling confident with subtracting fractions. So this is about subtracting from a whole amount. So Mrs. Pemberton has an apple for snack. She ate 6/8 of it. How much is left? Okay, so you basically need to do 1 take away 6/8. Okay, let's write that down. 1 take away 6/8 equals, okay. Oh, now that might be a little bit tricky, but it is not, because we know that if the numerator and denominator are the same, that equals 1, okay? Now, you can do that for any fraction, but obviously it's going to be helpful if our denominators are the same. So, let's go for 8/8. See, simple, okay? That equals a whole now. So what 8/8 take away 6/8 equals, let's get a bar model, guys. Oh, you're going to move. Oh, he might just want to stay there. That's all right. You can stay there. All right, so let's fill that in. We want 8/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to take away 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many is left? 2/8. So Mrs. Pemberton has 2/8 of her apple left. Well done, Mrs. Pemberton. Very healthy. All right, guys. I want you now to write your own word problem and show it to someone at home and see if they can answer it, okay? And tomorrow is World Book Day, which is a super, super, super fun day. So there's no maths lesson tomorrow. Now, Miss Haynes has spent a really long time getting some lovely resources ready for you, so I hope you enjoy doing them. And then on Friday, I have set you a mathletics activity, so there's no video on Friday because I want you to be super, super rested for coming back to school on Monday, okay? So check out your mathletics accounts because you'll have something set. If you don't know your password, email either myself, if I am your teacher, or Mr. Ball, if he is your teacher, okay? And I will see you on Friday for our Teams meeting and on Monday in real life, which is super exciting. Okay, bye, guys.